So much in modern business and life depends on the flow of information. As that flow grows in speed and sophistication, new challenges come into focus. From setbacks like signal loss, extended downtime, or a security breach, to complexities like managing disparate networks and fragmented data. Beyond these misconnections lie untapped opportunities. And Belden is your bridge between them. We connect people, information, and ideas to help you find clarity amid the chaos and unlock untold possibilities for your business. Our complete connection solutions serve automation and smart infrastructure customers across a range of industries. From healthcare to hospitality, manufacturing to mass transit, and many others. Connections that are vital, connections that inform, connections that inspire, connections that enable increased productivity, improved experiences, and make digital transformation a reality. A safer, smarter, more prosperous future is just within reach. When we make the connections, we make it possible.